Basically, today we are going to concentrate on the profitability of layers project in poultry farming. Now, we are going to use our example here, as in Buseesa demonstration farm. We have a total number of 2,000 layers, and if you can see how much we get, how much eggs we are getting per day, averagely we get 60 trays, though it can be more than that, but averagely let's calculate our calculation based on 60 trays. Now, if that is got 60 trays are got in a day, how much do we get in a week? Today at Buseesa demonstration farm, we have a total number of 2,000 layers, and if we are to calculate the number of eggs we get per day, we are getting in around 60 trays per day. Now, when you look at weekly sales on these trays of eggs, those 60 trays will give us 600,000 averagely. And when you look at a week, those 60 trays times 7, you find we go in averagely 4 million in a week. Then in a month, averagely you find we get around 20 million. Then when you look at a year, you find us getting averagely 230 million in a year. But now you have to calculate how much is the input. That is gross profit. So if you can get the net profit, how much do we put in these layers for that maybe in a year? Because we have records, we are able to calculate our expenditures within those layers. So averagely in a year, our annual net expenditure is around 100 million, and we are looking at the net, the gross sales. We have talked of 230 million. So if you calculate and remove the expenditure from the gross profit, yes, then we are going to remain with averagely 130 net profit. That is annual net profit in a year. So you find there is a lot of profit in layers compared to these other projects. So I would implore our esteemed viewers that if you want a business that can give you good profit in a year, please venture into rearing layers. And maybe what I would specifically talk about is you have to be consistent in managing these layers, especially in the first 4 months, where they need maximum vaccination almost every month. And even you need to be inquisitive in calculating the feeds. Actually, this is a project that requires reduction in the quantity of feeds when these layers start now laying eggs, so they don't grow fat and they reduce in the laying rates. So we urge our esteemed farmers, please ensure you have enough biosecurity at your farm. Nobody should not enter into your farm when it's not disinfected. Ensure that your feeds are of good quality to avoid these aflatoxins, feeds that are having molds, feeds which have been dumped into cold places and making cakes. All that you need to avoid them. Lastly, if you are to venture into this project, you need to study. You need to go and get some exposure. Come to our farm, Buseesa demonstration farm. We can give you information, because for us we are more practical and we have seen all the challenges and the like, and we know the type of structures we are supposed to have for you to have good structures for birds. By the way, there is a calculation for how many birds are you supposed to put into the structure. The formula is you are supposed to get 5 layers per square meter. So by getting that principle, it can help you to know how big your structure could be and how many birds to buy to stock into the structure you're having at your home. Thank you very much for this session, and I wish you well. Please, if you want to get more information about us, check on our contacts, which is displayed down there. Then you can also log into our website, as it is displayed also there, so that you can get more information and more information about other projects. Thank you.